Essentially what happens is if you wrap over this, alright, let's say we got some nice coverage. So that's what we don't want. So what we're gonna do is just sand it a little bit so it doesn't look so, you know, unprofessional. There's a lot of little nicks around the car. We're just gonna get the ones that look most obvious, like this. What you playing over there? Camera shy. I used to have a bunch of magnets, but now I only have 2. So we're gonna make do with just 2. We're gonna put one in the front, one in the back. And I'm not too sure how the design is gonna line up. It's all a guessing game. We'll see. So, I actually like how it's coming out. I showed the picture to the owner and he didn't seem to like it because the colors were a little bit desaturated. So I told him to come check it out, see if he wants to continue wrapping as is or redo it in a different design. I mean, I like it, but customer's always right. Some people get confused on custom print. Basically, it's coming from a screen which has bright, vibrant colors to basically paper. Like this is all the printout. It gets laminated, and the colors don't look as vibrant as on a screen, you know, but they still look good. This is printed black, printed blue, printed magenta. I think it came out really good. But if we have to change it, rip it all off, do it again.
Especially right here.
So we're ready? We got the approval? Are we good?
You have the approval.
We're gonna stay with this and then do...
Stay with it because it's already done, but like I said, if you need to add more pink to anything, just do this pink.
Yeah, we're gonna stick to
Because
that.
honestly, I don't think the fence is bad.
But then
like
we
you
also,
said-
got the calipers.
Yeah, that's what. Kind of still fucking good.
Yeah, no, I think it's good.
Good. Survived it. Alright, so here's the original design. You can see that the colors are bright compared to this fade over here. When designs get printed, everything on the printer is basically exaggerated. So on the screen it looks nice and bright. It's going from pink to a fade to a darker pink, but here the fade is heavily, it's really dark basically. So most of the colors are darker where they're faded. That's a normal print thing. We're just upset that it wasn't exactly the color that we wanted to do. We wanted to go with, you know, nice contrasting colors, and then these are pretty dark. So the car is not done, so we still have a lot to do. We're gonna do a lot more pink on the hood, on the front bumper, on the wing. The calipers are already pink. They're going reflective pink, which is right here. You know, he was very open to letting me work on his car exactly, but I wanted him to come and see it in person because even me sending pictures to him directly, it looks way different in person. Like these colors look more vibrant in person. So, I mean, he liked it, so that's important. But again, still a lot to go. Once it's fully done, it's gonna be a whole transformation. This is literally just one side, so we still got a lot of work to do.